Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Profits channel. Today, hope you had a wonderful trading day. And let's start with Bank Nifty and then we'll go from Nifty prediction. In Bank Nifty, it gained 300 points. It touched down 34 480 for 500 and it went till 34 778. It gained 300 points. Hope people who followed my yesterday video, I told it will gain 300 points. If wisely, you should have made an entry at this point, then you should have gained this point. If you have entered here, then you should have lost in some price decay. But if you would have entered with some basics, then you should have gained this point. Let me show you quickly what we discussed yesterday. If you see here, when we discussed on when we discussed on Nifty, I told clearly I prefer to trade Bank Nifty for tomorrow, as more likely Bank Nifty should gain 300 points upwards. Is more clearly than Nifty trend. I gave recommendation to trade in Bank Nifty and not in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, I gave a target of 34,850. We should tomorrow bet for CE buy in Bank Nifty for 34,850. I told two things. It will gain 300 points and the target will be 34,850. What happened is it touched this resistance line and it gained the 300 points, but it did not reach to 34,850, but it reversed from here. Still, this 34,850 is valid target. It is going to come by tomorrow, but you cannot predict everything so accurately. But more if you would have captured, you could have captured this. Okay, no problem. So let's come for tomorrow's prediction, and please follow the video carefully because Bank Nifty and Nifty are in two opposite trend and two opposite impact. Okay, let me explain how it is. Before getting into tomorrow's video, let me also give a small hint on how to use my prediction, how to implement during the market hours. Okay, so your key Lakshman Rekha is this red and green line. This is the resistance and support line. So this I will draw it on everyday basis. For every day, it will keep changing. These are the resistance support pivot points, and this is the Lakshman Rekha. So you should watch an entry clearly during this in this Lakshman Rekha. If anywhere market opens in middle, you should wait for a cautious entry when it touches this resistance and check if it is breaking out down or breaking up to enter the right trade. This is the right place to enter the trade. Or otherwise, sometimes if it opens in middle, it keeps going gap up. Then you should target this resistance lines I drawn in yellow. Or if somewhere the market has closed here and it started gap down, and then if it keep moving, then you should keep noting this support lines what I draw. So the best entry points will be on these lines. When the price is around these lines, if it is breaking down, we should have a PE buy. If it is breaking up, we should have a CE buy. If you are entering somewhere in the middle, then you should have a very, very clear knowledge about candlestick patterns, how a reversal candles, how different candles, what it means. Otherwise, what you will do when market goes up, you will enter into CE buy and expecting it will go up, but it will start coming down. And then you will exit your CE buy and you will enter into PE. And then it will come down, you will expect it will come here, but it will start going up. Then you will exit your PE buy and enter CE buy. So if you keep on exiting and entering, then you will lose the trade. So please follow my video very carefully. I will tell the recommendation based on the day and based on any key news, and what is required, I'll tell it in a simple manner. Okay, so let's come for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday, so every day has a character for trading in the Nifty options and Bank Nifty options. Tomorrow is Friday, so tomorrow will be a high premium day opening. So we should not enter into any new positions on Friday first half and morning. And to be more best, you should not enter trading for tomorrow. Probably very experienced traders can enter with a very high margin and they can look for profit. Any new retail buyers with very less margin, we should not enter trade for tomorrow. Otherwise, you will lose your money. If most of the time it will run flat, it will go up and down. It will be very volatile. It will eat your premium price. Okay, so what is the best entry points for tomorrow? Let me tell you, it is very restricted trade we should do tomorrow, and clearly do it according to the recommendation I'm going to discuss with you right now. Okay, so for tomorrow I've kept this resistance and support lines. Let me take my chart where I marked it very clearly. The chart I have marked, if you see 34,675 is the resistance and the 34,635 is the support, and the Bank Nifty has closed well above the resistance. It is closed 34,691, which is well above 34,675. Okay, so it is in a positive trend, definitely. So it has clearly given a positive trend and closed it. So what you should do now, whether you should do an entry, no. If it is going to be a flat, it's going to open around 34,700, or if it is going to open gap up, you should not do an entry. The entry point for tomorrow is 34,675. If the price opens flat, or if the price opens little bit up, wait for the price to come down to touch 34,675. And then if you do a reversal, then do a CE buy. The target is 34,850. For some reason it opens a big gap up, then it should be almost close to 34,850. Then also don't enter trade. Leave the price to flow up till 34,850. At 34,850, you watch whether it is breaking up or breaking down. Accordingly, you take the trade. If it is reversing down, you see a reversing red candle, then you enter into a PE buy. The target is 34,675. You should have these 2 points in mind tomorrow. Your entry should be at 34,675 with a target of 34,850, or it should be at 34,850 with a target of 34,675. Anywhere in the middle, do not enter, because it is going to run flat for Friday. This is the most safest point. This is a limited point. If you get a chance, enter. And I don't see Bank Nifty to go down for any technical reason, but still I have marked one point of support, which is today's low, 34,500. In case Bank Nifty breaks 34,635, enter into PE buy position and try for looking target till 34,500. In case if it breaks 34,500, look at the previous lines I have drawn on previous days, but there is no any technical reason behind why Bank Nifty should go down. Everything is clear at the bottom side according to price action. We have to expect Bank Nifty to clearly move up, clearing this 34,850 and clearly moving up to cap 34,770. But Nifty has a downside correction yet. Due to Nifty going down, there is a chance Bank Nifty also could pull down due to the market sentiment of Nifty like that. For that only reason, I have marked one downward direction, and that reference point is 34,635. Anything breaks 34,635, then you enter into 34,500. Okay, or otherwise you can even if you want to be tomorrow, you want to play safe, you also leave it from 34,500. Again, it show a reversal. There is a large chance that Nifty could run flat. That's the important point you should remember. If it comes down, it touches 34,635. Little bit it comes to 34,630 and it will reverse back, and it will run in the middle of 34,635 and 34,675, and it will eat your price. That is why you need to be very careful on cautious trade. I recommend for only 2 points enter. That is CE buy at 34,675 with a clear reversal, or it goes to 34,850 and without touching 34,675, it moves gap up and goes to 34,850 and do a clear reversal. Then PE buy for the target of 34,675. And read out these lines, guys. What I've told, I've explained it in very brief and short. This is for Bank Nifty, and we don't have to look at option data for today, because tomorrow is going to be a new day, new weekly expiry. So tomorrow only option data rightly will be built up. We can see it tomorrow, and we don't have to refer to any weekly or monthly chart, because the price action is very clear. Yesterday Bank Nifty went gap up, gaining points, and today also it went recovery of 158 points. So clearly Bank Nifty is gaining up from the bottom. So nothing new, it will be in the monthly and weekly chart. So just follow this trend what I've explained, guys. Thanks for Bank Nifty, and let's see Nifty. Little bit of change twist is there in Nifty. Let's see what Nifty is there. Let me take the chart of Nifty. If you see the Nifty trading for today, I have marked this resistance line 15,770. It left out this Lakshman Rekha what I had drawn. It went into gap up, and what I told in Bank Nifty video, if it does not touch, if it went at gap up and moving, then we should see the next Lakshman resistance line, this line, and it went directly to the line and it went flat over here. Most of the price will be eaten at this point. Mostly option sellers could have gained 1 point. or otherwise if somebody has entered here and could have captured a small movement, then it's fine. Otherwise mostly Nifty was around this 15,770 line. Okay, so let's see for today, tomorrow what Nifty is going to have. So Nifty has closed at 15,778, and exactly the Lakshman Rekha what I've drawn support and resistance line is also at 15,778. Okay, if you see, it's a very narrow support and resistance line, so Nifty can be more volatile. And what I expect for Nifty is, let me open the chart. Okay, so this is a chart of Nifty. If you see 15,778, what I'm expecting is there is more chance for Nifty to do a correction of 100 points. That's why I marked more bold for downward movement. The target is 15,690 to 15,650. There is a high chance the price can touch up 15,690 and then reverse back. So be very, very cautious. Tomorrow is again Friday, as I told. Do not enter any ambiguous trade, and look for a clear confirmation. So now the price is 15,778 and my support resistance also at 15,778. So probably wait till it comes down at around 15,770. It breaks below, then you enter safely into a PE buy position and capture some 80 to 100 points. If you want to enter a trade, in case if it does not do a gap down or come down, if it is a flat or something, if it is going flat over somewhere above, do not enter the trade. If you are very much tempted to enter a trade on Nifty, or if you are already holding some position, then the movement will be inclined to downward. That's what I am predicting for Nifty. Once it clears this 15,690 and to 15,650, it will make a reversal. Then it should clearly do a upward trend. It's very, in case if it is gap up, it look like going above, you do not enter into C buy position. Watch out at 15,870 or watch out somewhere in the middle where it is reversing. When it is reversing down, you try to enter confidently to PE buy to have a target of 15,690. Anywhere during the travel, if you see that it is volatile and it is going flat, just exit the trade. If you don't exit the trade, if you are into the trade, you will lose your premium for tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's very simple. So again, we don't have to really look at other things. Let's wait for some news for Nifty if there is any news coming up, or otherwise with respect to price action, we are expecting Nifty to come down, and for Bank Nifty we are expecting it to travel up with the entry points what I told. So same thing, I kept it written in brief guys, please note it down. So thank you very much for watching the video. All the best for tomorrow guys, and keep in touch in front page for market updates during the market hours. Thank you.